Okay guys, so if your Apple Watch screen is zoomed in like this, it's pretty easy to fix it. So I'm going to show you two ways to do the first using your iPhone. So first on your iPhone, you're going to go into the Apple Watch app. If you don't see it, search for Watch. So on the main tab, you're going to press on Accessibility. Press on Zoom. So from here, just turn off Zoom. Just going to turn it back on and show you the second way. So first, just to get out of Zoom, you can use two fingers and you're going to double press. Just like that. To totally disable it, go into your settings. Scroll down to accessibility. Press on Zoom. So from here you can turn it off. You can also determine the max zoom level. Okay guys, thanks for watching.